Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, push that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my videos. Welcome. Thank you guys so much for coming. I do appreciate you. In today's video, we are going to be playing around with some of SAVILAND's dip powders. All right, so jumping right into, I already have my nails prepped and ready. You're going to want to push back those cuticles, buff off your surface shine, add your bonder, your bond or dehydrator, same, add your primer and your base coat. So I actually put on my foil glue. This is a regular foil glue. I'm using it as a peel off method. So I went ahead and applied that and let that air dry. We are also going to be using my brand new Maximum Stilettos by Enail Couture. They are pre-etched, so you don't have to do anything to these full covered nails. But if you have nails that are not pre-etched, you're going to want to take an E-file and you're going to tickle the inside where your natural nail plate is going to go to roughen up the surface there. That way it can adhere to your nail. So I went ahead and I measured my nails. You're going to want your full cover tips to go from one side wall to the other without pressing down, okay? Remember that, don't press down. If you guys are interested, I do get 10% off Enail Couture products, and everything is always listed in my description box. Here is the box that the dip powder nail kit comes in. It's a very nice thick box. On the back, it tells you that it is a dipping powder starter kit, which is nice. I mean, a starter kit is nice, right? You get everything that you need. You really don't need anything else except for your nails, the ones you're going to be putting on your fingers. It says this dip powder does not require UV LED light. It says it typically is a much quicker process to apply from start to finish, which I do not agree with. Because I think gel and curing is a lot quicker than letting it air dry, but let's go on. Specifications: 100% vegan and cruelty free, advanced formula, long lasting and chip resistant. Go ahead. Oh, I've already done that. Oh, we got a lot of stuff in here. Oh my. Oh, the SAVILAND dip powder liquid set instruction manual, which we are not going to need. We have a little brush to brush off our dust. We have a little 180 grit file. We do have, it looks like, some extra lids, which I will say does come in very handy. It comes with your cuticle pusher. Now this is their holiday set. It's on Amazon. I'm gonna flash a picture right here, how much it is, and all the colors that it comes with. So it does come with a SAVILAND base and top coat, 2-in-1, and then it comes with an activator. We're not going to be using these today. Ooh, I don't like that. Oh my god, that stinks. That stinks. And why does that come off? I don't know. That's weird. Does this one? Oh, this one does too. So this is the activator. Ugh, let me smell this. Oh my god, no thank you. Here's the black glitter. Green glitter, which I spilled everywhere. White glitter, which is really pretty. Red glitter, or the red. The Christmas red. And the gold. So I'm thinking of putting all 5 colors. We're going to do 1 color of each, and I'm going to show you how I do it. It's super easy. You're going to take a nail foil glue. This is a gel, okay? And what I'm going to do is, from cuticle to free edge, I'm going to put 1 coat of that on my nail. Just make sure it's a nice even coat. Taking the black, I'm just going to dump that on there. I'm going to take it slowly. Slowly shake it on. Turning as I go because I think I missed a spot. Oh, this stuff is chunky. Chunky, chunky. It's actually missing spots. That's weird. That did not go on there like it normally does. Take your foil glue, foil gel. Go ahead and apply a thin coat of that. Make sure you get your sides. Y'all saw me get my sides on that first one. I don't know what happened. No clue. Okay, now this one's actually working. Okay. All the way to the tip. Let that soak in and then tap it off. Easy peasy, breezy cover, girl. Ooh. All right, let's go ahead and cure that. I'm gonna put it in the light for 60 seconds. Okay, now once you have them out of the light, take the fan brush that it comes with. Go ahead and dust off any of the excess. Do you see how the thumb did? It didn't work that good. And I did mix them. I don't know what happened. It's very chunky, but we're going to do it again. No problem. Just go ahead and get all that excess powder off of those nails. Get it off of those cuticles. I love it. It's actually starting to look good. Definitely needs another coat. Because sis, I don't know what happened to her, but she said not today. Take that gel. We're going to need a little more than normal this time. it's got to soak in to that dip powder. Oh, crrr. Oh, crrr. Can y'all roll your R's? Let's just dump it. Let's just do it. Let's get on the side first, because that's always a problem for my thumb for some reason. Let that soak in. That's pretty. Let's go ahead and tap, 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 tap. Take the gold. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and do a final 60-second cure. I think we could get away with not top coating. So now what you're gonna do, before you do any kind of top coat, gems, whatever, you're gonna take your file. You're gonna go ahead and shape up the side walls. Make sure you get around your cuticles really good. I'll give it one final wipe down. So here are the stickers that I'm thinking of using. These are from Enail Couture. I thought these were gorgeous, but because these are so because it's so like sugary, it's gonna be hard to put these down, I think. But let's just try it. Little bit of this. Okie dokie. I'll put a bead there. Put a bead here. And then I'm gonna put a bead here. Okay, I'm gonna use these emeralds. These have like a diamond. That one has like a diamond. Oh, get over there, buddy. So I'm gonna use these white snowflakes, and we're gonna put those on this nail here. There we go. All right, last but not least, I'm gonna take my, these little pearls with the gold outline that came in my collaboration box for November, your nail lab box, and I'm gonna put those down the gold nail. All right, I'm gonna give it a full cure and we'll be back for the results. Give me just a second. Last but not least, go ahead and grab some cuticle oil. I'm gonna use my cotton candy cuticle oil by Enail Couture. Now you can top coat these, y'all, because I just didn't want to top coat to take away from the sugary effect, but they can be top coated. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. I went ahead and applied my cuticle oil. I put a matte top coat on the middle finger. So that is the end of the video. So now it's time for me to give my rating. I am actually going to give this a 4. So 4 baby girl nails. And I'm going to tell you why. I do not like dip powder systems. I just don't. I like using a gel, and that's just the way it is. I like using a gel. Now, I had no issues with any of their dip powders. I've always really liked SAVILAND's dip powders. Never really had a problem with them. Let me know what you guys think down below, but definitely a 4. And that's not bad at all, because you got to remember, guys, a 5 is like 150%. So I don't think a 4 is too bad, considering I didn't use the dip system that comes with the powders. For one, they stink. They smell horrible. I would have had a headache by the end of the video. And 2, it takes forever for that stuff to dry. Well, for me it does. For me anyway. And when I use the dip powder system, when I use the liquid, I always get lumps and bumps. and with the gel, I don't. So let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on that down in my comment section. And if you guys would, leave some Christmas emojis. Let me know what you think. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. Right down there. And don't forget, you guys, please give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy today's video. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Sending you lots of love and light. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.